Welcome. This video is about how to make a secret pocket on your shirt. So from the armpit we are going to measure 6 inches, and then from the point of the 6 inches you measure 5 inches from here to here, from here to here. That's it. So we're just going to open it up. I'm using a machine needle to open that place up. The point where I marked 5 inches. So you just open the sewing to have an opening right there. Okay, right now we're done opening. You can see the chart is opened. Likewise we do at the other side too. Okay, now what next now is to bring in the cover, the pocket cover. I'm using two different colors. It's better for you to use same color of fabric. So we're just going to place it from this end. Place it like this. That's the way I'm placing it. Make sure it covers the opening, the place that is open. Then I'm going to sew from here to here. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, you can see we are done sewing now. I'm going to sew like this again, like this. This I'm going to sew to cover up the pocket. Just fold from here and end here. Okay, we are done sewing that just like this and ended here. So now what next? We're going to take this remaining part and put it in between. Put it in between that allowance, and then sew from here to here and then down here. So from here to this place, just the way I indicated. Okay, you can see we are done sewing, and then we just have to turn it over to check out what we've sewn. See? Yeah, when it's ironed you can't really see it. And then this is it. We have it here, our secret pocket. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and like video. Thanks.